It is believed that Tirupati Balaji Temple is the abode of presiding deity Lord Balaji. Tirupati Balaji Temple has its origin in Vaishnavism, an ancient religion that advocates the principle of equality and love. The awe-inspiring idol of the Lord of the Seven Hills resides in the main temple of Tirumala. Tirupati Balaji Temple is considered to be the richest temple presently. Any individual who faces difficulty and misfortunes in life in terms of wealth and prosperity both, worshipping Lord Vishnu heals the issue with his blessings and generosity. Tulsi Seva is one of the most auspicious and most important in the overall ritual. While worshipping, a ritual without Tulsi Seva is considered as incomplete. It is the procedure that brings a worshipper closer to the Lord. Sri Balaji Temple is one of the unique creations in Ahmedabad and has become a symbol of the religious, social, and cultural identity of Indians. Many religious gurus, leaders in various professions visited Sri Balaji Temple at Ahmedabad and took the blessings of Lord Balaji. Dr. Rao has been in the service of Tulsi Seva to Lord Balaji for the past 9 years in a temple in Ahmedabad. He considers this as a task given by the Lord Vishnu himself and manages to fulfill this by the grace of God. He has been cultivating the basil for years at his farm and has managed to do seva to Lord Vishnu uninterrupted. The plant has been revered by the people of India for its multifarious uses since Vedic times, and even now it is considered auspicious. For the 16-feet garland of Tulsi, a year-long preparation is initiated, beginning from seed cultivation to plucking the leaves and threading it in its purest form for Lord Balaji. The family at farm preserve and cultivate Tulsi in its purest form. The facilities on the farm provide the family their regular surviving livelihood as well as their divine devotion for the mammoth task of 16 feet Tulsi garland to be prepared. The work starts early in the morning, even before the sun sheds its light in the rim of a leaf, and it continues till dawn. Providing 3 square meals to the dedicated cultivators and their family, they are given a chance to work for the welfare of society. Also, the farm itself is maintained in its natural way with other premium facilities like cricket pitch, football ground, joggers area, farm chess, and a comfortable gazebo. As said very often by the devotees of Lord Balaji, we felt divine vibrations and blessed by Sri Balaji. Our visit and seva to this temple is an inexplicable experience. May Lord Venkateshwara bless all of us. Thus, experience the joy of getting the blessings from Lord Balaji.